Hacking Workshop. Would you like to get started as an ethical hacker? Do you want to become a professional penetration tester? Enroll now in the complete ethical hacking course and learn how to think like a hacker, and become familiar with the toolkit of a professional pentester. This course covers a wide range of topics relating to network security. 1. Introduction to ethical hacking. 2. Reconnaissance. 3. Scanning and enumeration. 4. Network presence. 5. Attacking systems. 6. Web hacking. 7. Social engineering. When you enroll in the course, you will immediately receive access to 19+ hours of HD video tutorials, as well as additional supplemental resources for developing the necessary skills to succeed in the field. Learn by doing demonstrations using popular pentesting tools such as Maltego, Foca, Recon-ing, Nmap, Mascan, TCPDump, Wireshark, Ettercap, Burp Suite, Scapy, Mimikatz, Hashcat, Conboot, Hydra, OWASP, SQLmap, Midimproxy, Skipfish, and more. Thank you for taking the time to read this, and we hope to see you on the course. Who this hacking workshop course is for. 1. This course was designed for beginners and moves on to more advanced applications.